Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to change Instagram username. It's a pretty easy task to do, so you have to follow the step. I'm going to show you. Head over to your Instagram, and once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account, and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right. And here, tap on the three lines icon on the top right or the hamburger menu. And from here, go to Account Center. Now just go to your profile and here go to your Instagram profile. And here, as we want to delete our Instagram username, we need to head over to username option. And here you can just change your username. Make sure your current username or the username you are going to set is available. Once you are done, just tap on done and your username will be set. So yeah, this is how you can just change your Instagram username. Hope this video helps and we will see you in the next video.